Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook big sago. First, let's prepare the sago pearls. Begin by rinsing them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any impurities. After rinsing, transfer the sago to a large bowl and cover them with plenty of water. It's crucial to soak them for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the pearls to hydrate and soften, ensuring a perfect texture when cooked. Once your sago pearls are properly soaked, it's time to cook them. Bring a generous amount of water to a vigorous boil in a large pot. Carefully add the soaked sago pearls, stirring gently to prevent them from clumping together or sticking to the bottom. Continue to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know they are almost done when most of the pearls turn translucent, with just a tiny white dot remaining in the center. After boiling, take the pot off the heat. Cover it tightly and let the sago pearls steam for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step uses the residual heat to fully cook those small white cores, resulting in completely translucent and tender pearls. Once steamed, drain the sago and rinse it thoroughly under cold water. This stops the cooking process and washes away any extra starch, preventing stickiness. Now that your big sago is perfectly cooked, it's ready to be enjoyed. You can serve it warm or chilled with a variety of delicious accompaniments. It pairs wonderfully with sweet soups, fresh fruit, or creamy coconut milk. Sago is incredibly versatile, making it ideal for popular desserts like sago gyolemon or a refreshing sago with mango. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.